Hey guys, just got done doing a quick cleanup on the bike, and got a new package in the mail, and it's pretty quick and easy. But I got this from Thrashin, and figured we'd give it a go as far as trying to do an install video for you. It shouldn't take too long. It should take a couple minutes, but this is the shifter arm, shifter link arm. And from what Thrashin says, it's supposed to reduce the amount of pressure or force it takes to shift by 25%. So hey, we'll get it on there. We'll see how hard it is, and if it makes any improvement. Thrashin usually does some pretty good stuff, so I'm excited to kind of get this on there, and I'll film it, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is the stock one that comes on there, right? And you can kind of see how different the angle, you can see kind of how different the angle is on that one, right? It pulls a little bit more forward, and it's a little bit more of a straight shot, right? So this one is kind of canted up. I am assuming by the way that this looks, it's going to pull it more down to here, to where it's more of a straight pull, and not necessarily a lot of leverage to shift gears or to find neutral or whatever. So okay, so for this, on this application, you need a 7/16 and a half-inch wrench, because we want to pull that rod off. So we want to go ahead and see if we can't get this removed. Oh, there we go. Take this off. Got a little blue Loctite on there. Holy cow, I need to clean those threads out. And then we need, I think it's a quarter. Nope. It is 3 seconds. So it is a 5/32 Allen. And just gonna get in here and crack that thing loose. And these aren't torqued very high, so it's fairly easy. And what I want to do is remember the angle of where my shifter was, but got to pull the screw completely out. It's a safety mechanism that's built into it, and then this just slides right out. And there you go. Let's see what the difference is here real quick. So that's the old one. And this is the new one. So let's take a look here. A little bit different angle, a little bit different shorter. To be honest with you, it's just a little bit different. So this comes with a new screw, new Allen, and we'll get this just pushed back in there. And oh, you know what I need to do? need to take this out. Not seating all the way for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. Just needed to get it in the right spot. So that bolt will go through now. And give this a little. Just want to get it tightened up just a little bit because I may need to make some adjustments as far as where it's at. I may have to change my shifter peg. So with this kit, because it bolts in from the back and not the front, so it says right here it comes with this little spacer here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but for 17 and up, bagger linkage is mounted on the back. So what this spacer does is it goes right there so that you can run your bolt through there, and then the nut will be flush and it won't be in that recess. So, and I'm just doing this to kind of show you the install. I'll go back through and Loctite everything up brand new, but just kind of wanted to get you the install on how easy this really is, and then I'll give you a review and let you know if it actually does make it better. Alright, so here we go. That's it. Now I will need to lift this up a little bit because it just changed the angle, but I didn't want to have to mess with this shift rod. So it's easier to adjust the shifter arm than it is to mess with this a little bit. So it looks pretty good, and we'll see if it makes a difference. Okay, so got it reinstalled, everything's cleaned up, put new Loctite, torqued everything down. Was able to kind of use my old reference mark to kind of gauge where I needed my foot to be. So it looks like it's not as dramatic of an angle from the other one, and I won't know until I get riding on it for a little while and see if things are. This bike is pretty smooth to begin with, so I don't know if I'm going to see a huge difference, but hey, anytime you can remove leverage off something, it greatly improves the longevity of it. And you know what? Thrashin makes a nice piece there. Wasn't expensive, it was like $100. Yeah. All right, guys, well, that wraps it up. So pretty easy install. Probably took me all of 10 minutes once I got all the tools and everything laid out. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see what type of improvement, if any, it has. I also wanted to wish everybody happy holidays and Merry Christmas, or whatever holiday you celebrate during this time of year. It's been great putting these videos together for you. And again, if you like what you see, let me know. If you don't, that's okay too. I look forward to reading all the comments, and I try to reply to everybody's questions. I do get a lot of questions about if I like something, if I don't like something, what the differences are before you go out and you make your purchase. So I enjoy doing it. I enjoy customizing this bike in particular. And we probably will see you next year. So, hey, thanks. See ya. Bye.